UKG. ABC. English. Use of A.
Good morning children. Today we will learn use of A. First we will begin with some examples. Children, are you ready? Let's start. What is it? It is a ball. What is it? It is a pot. What is it? It is a cup. What is it? It is a pen. What is it? It is a rat. Children, now we will learn some more sentences. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Use of A. What is it? W-H-A-T. What? I-S is I-T it. What is it? It is a cup. I-T it. I-S is a C-U-P cup. It is a cup. It is a ball. I-T it. I-S is a B-A-L-L ball. It is a ball. It is a log. I-T it. I-S is a L-O-G log. It is a log. It is a top. I-T it. I-S is a T-O-P top. It is a top. It is a bag. I-T it. I-S is a B-A-G bag. It is a bag. It is a pin. I-T it. I-S is a P-I-N pin. It is a pin. It is a hat. I-T it. I-S is a H-U-T hat. It is a hat. It is a tub. I-T it. I-S is a T-U-B tub. It is a tub. It is a jug. I-T it. I-S is a J-U-G jug. It is a jug. It is a rat. I-T it. I-S is a R-A-T rat. It is a rat. Be healthy, be strong, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Goodbye. God bless. See you in the next video.
Thank you.